Hey y'all, I am Amy Darley and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I share lots of cleaning, home decor, organizing, homemaking, all of that good stuff here on my channel. I love to share all of my cleaning tips, hacks, products that I love, and anything that works for me in order to help you guys out and hopefully make your lives easier as well. I also try to keep it real over here on my channel. Most of the time when you see me cleaning, I'm gonna be in workout clothes with a messy bun, and I'm also not afraid to show you guys my real life messes. Since I share lots of cleaning on my channel, I always get questions about my favorite cleaning products and tools. So I wanted to make a series of videos sharing those things with you and organize it so it's easy for you to find. This will be my first video in my cleaning favorites series, and I will be creating a cleaning favorites playlist so that way all future cleaning favorites videos will be grouped together and easy for you to find. For today's cleaning favorites, I am focusing on my favorite cleaning products for the floors, so I'll be sharing my favorite vacuums, mops, and carpet cleaner. Now, none of my cleaning favorites videos will ever be sponsored because I want to make sure that you guys know that these are all products that I love, I would buy with my own money, and I highly recommend. Although anytime you do see a sponsored video on my channel, just know that I only take on sponsorships if I absolutely love the product. I would never ever want to recommend something to you guys and then you get it and you absolutely hate it. I want you to be able to trust me, trust my word, and know that I only share products that I love and have tried on my channel. So I really hope that you enjoy seeing this series of cleaning favorites, and hopefully it's also helpful for you guys. Now, let's go ahead and jump into my cleaning favorites for the floors. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to start with are vacuums. My all-time favorite vacuum that I've ever had is the Shark Uplight. This is a corded vacuum, but it is very light and very, very powerful. So if you're looking for a vacuum that is easy to carry up and down the stairs and does a great job at getting all the dust and hair out of your carpets and all of your hardwood floors, then this is the vacuum that I would recommend the most. It also has a self-cleaning brush roll that removes long hair and pet hair so it doesn't get wrapped around the brush roll on the bottom of your vacuum. I remember the first time I ever used this vacuum, it was on one of my area rugs, and I was shocked at how much dust and dog hair had been pulled up out of the rug. I've had this vacuum for a few years now and still recommend this vacuum more than any other vacuum that I've ever used. The Shark Uplight is available on Amazon, so I'm going to link that one since I am sharing all Amazon cleaning products and stuff. I just want to make sure that you guys are able to get these. But most of the time I find it cheaper at Walmart or Kohl's. They'll end up having a deal, so I will link those as well in case it's a little bit cheaper. The next vacuum is a cordless vacuum. I know a lot of people really like having a cordless vacuum to do quick cleaning every day, and that's exactly why I use my cordless vacuum. I've had so many cordless vacuums in the past, and the one I have now is the Hoover Blade Plus. Now, I will say that after going through so many different vacuums, I've had some that have been super expensive, some that have been a little bit less expensive. This one is by far my favorite cordless vacuum. One of the things that I love most about this vacuum compared to other cordless vacuums that I've had in the past is that it has a removable battery. So instead of having to charge the actual vacuum, you could charge your battery, and you could even have an extra battery in case you run out of charge and you're not finished vacuuming. This vacuum is not as powerful as the Shark Uplight on carpets, but it does a really good job on hardwood floors, and it's good enough to have for your everyday carpet cleaning. But from my experience, I don't think any cordless vacuum is going to be powerful enough for deep cleaning carpets. So if you're looking for that, then I would definitely go with the Shark Uplight. But if you're looking for a vacuum that you can just quickly clean up hardwood floors or just do a quick cleaning each day, then I would recommend this cordless vacuum. And I also wanted to say that I think for the price of this cordless vacuum, it does an amazing job. So it's the Hoover Blade Plus, and I will have it linked below. Now the next vacuum that I'm sharing is a robot vacuum, and it's called the Narwhal. I actually have only had this one a few months. I shared it several videos ago. This vacuum is definitely very expensive, but it is the best robot vacuum that I've ever had. Now, this particular robot actually does vacuuming and mopping, and it also self-cleans the mop pads. So I don't use the mopping feature nearly as much as I use the vacuum, which I've been using almost daily. But if you wanted to use it as a mop as well, you can do that. One of my favorite things about this vacuum is that you are able to control the vacuum from an app on your phone. And then you can map out your house and even put in no-go zones within the app. So that way it's not like mopping your carpets or anything. Now, like I said earlier, I've had many different robot vacuums, and this one definitely picks up more than any of the other vacuums that I've had in the past. But also remember that with robot vacuums, you're definitely going to get what you pay for. Now, if you already have a cordless vacuum, a robot vacuum definitely is not a necessity, but if you're wanting a vacuum to do the work for you every day, then this is a great option for you. All right, now we're going to move on to mops. My all-time favorite mop that I've been using for about 3 years now is called the O-Cedar Spin Mop. This mop comes with a bucket and your mop and then a removable mop head. And I actually bought 4 extra mop heads to go with mine, just so that way if one is dirty, I can pull out a new one and get to mopping. And for my floor cleaner, I use Pine Sol. I just love the way it smells, and I've been using it for a really long time. I love the way it makes my floors look when I'm done mopping. So I just fill up the bucket with hot water and a little Pine Sol, and that's it. And one of the best things about this mop is that it is a spin mop. So once you dip your mop into the bucket, you spin it out, you kind of wring it out, and that way you're not mopping your floors with a sopping wet mop. Also, this mop is less than $30 at Walmart. Now, the one that I linked below that's from Amazon, I'll link both Walmart and Amazon, but the one from Amazon was $45, but that was the only one that I could find on there, and it did come with an extra mop head though. Now, the other mop that I use and recommend is a Swiffer wet mop. You can also use it as a dry mop. So that's another plus, is you could use it just to kind of do a quick sweep in your house if you wanted to. I usually just use it as a wet mop though when I'm trying to clean my bathrooms really fast. This mop definitely does not do a deep clean like the O-Cedar Spin Mop, but it's a great option for sanitizing your floors quickly and also getting up small spills. The last floor cleaner that I want to share is my favorite carpet cleaner. It's the Bissell Pro Heat Revolution Pet Pro. I've had this carpet cleaner for a few years now, and it always does a great job and completely grosses me out when I see what it pulls out of my carpets and upholstery. I use it on our carpets, our rugs, furniture, and even in our cars. I love the attachments that it comes with, and I also use the Bissell Pet Pro carpet cleaning detergent with Oxy, and it smells so good. This carpet cleaner is so easy to use. It has a max cleaning mode for a super powered clean, and then it also has an express cleaning mode, so that way if you're trying to clean your carpets fast and you need your carpets to dry really quickly, then you can use the express mode and your carpets will be dry in about 30 minutes. I highly, highly recommend this carpet cleaner to keep your carpets and your rugs looking nice, and it's also a lot cheaper than hiring someone to come clean your carpets for you. All of the cleaning products that were mentioned in today's video will be linked in the description box below. Alright y'all, so that is it for all of my cleaning favorites for the floors. I hope this video was helpful and that you enjoyed it. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe before you leave so that way you don't miss any of my future videos. I cannot wait to share all the rest of my cleaning favorites with you guys in some upcoming videos. Hope you'll have an amazing week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!